video is for beginners. I'd like to share important information about choosing canvas and other materials for liquid acrylic. The fact is that liquid acrylic means that we pour a mixture of paints and a medium onto some surface. And the surface can be anything. However, not every surface is suitable for liquid acrylic. If you have never painted with liquid acrylic before, if you are not sure whether you will like this technique or what you will do with paintings, start with small canvases and shapes. And when you learn this technique better, then you can move on to larger canvases. Many artists advise starting with wooden forms, as they are smooth, do not bend under the weight of paints, and are easy to use. These shapes come in the form of rectangles, squares, circles. As I said, the surface should not be rough. I really like these shapes, but wood is not always cheap. Sometimes things don't work out, like in this example. My little grandson and I painted this together, but we didn't get the desired result. I didn't throw these molds away but kept them because I can use them again for liquid acrylic. You can use regular cardboard. Art supply stores may sell this cardboard. It is of better quality compared to cardboard packaging boxes. Liquid acrylic spreads easily on this cardboard. For a small amount of paint, you can use small-sized canvas. This canvas is glued to cardboard, well stretched, and has a white background, covered with acrylic or gesso. This canvas is of good quality and is very convenient for learning different acrylic painting techniques. There are different sizes and shapes of canvases. They are sold in many stores, including online. This fabric is synthetic. There is also cotton canvas, natural ones, stretched over a wooden frame. It costs more, but there are sales and discounts. There are also wooden boards that can be used for liquid acrylic. There are different shapes of wooden boards, hearts, circles, ovals, etc. You can use regular computer discs. Their surface is smooth, but it is advisable to coat the shiny side of the disc with a gesso primer of any color you like. As you can see, there is a large selection, but this is not all that can be used for liquid acrylic. Larger canvases require more paint and skill. Try pouring paint on rocks. You will also gain some experience. Smaller canvases are convenient because they can be framed and hung on the wall. It is very important to prepare the canvas or form for painting. For example, these shapes that we used with our grandson have the sides painted, but not very well. What can you do about it? You can paint over the top with another paint once the first coat of paint has dried. But you can also use protective tape on the sides. You can also glue a piece of plastic to the back. This will prevent paint from getting onto the entire back surface of the canvas or form. Aesthetically, this is important if you are giving or selling your work of art. But if something bad happens and the paint spills over the back surface, you can cover it with white or other paper, cardboard, or frame it as is. There are several options, it all depends on your imagination on how to hide such a messy background. If you liked this video, please press like, share the link with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. All the best to everyone.